Title: New York Cheesecake. Step by step, fast and simple. I'm making a classic New York cheesecake. No stress, all flavor. Crust first. I crush 12 full graham cracker sheets to fine crumbs. Stir in 2 tablespoons sugar, a pinch of salt. Add 5 tablespoons melted butter mix until it clumps like wet sand. Press firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, bottom, and a little up the sides. Bake at 350 to 175 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Cool. Drop the oven to 325 to 160 degrees. Wrap the pan base in foil for a water bath. Filling time. I beat 32 ounces, 900 degrees, room temp cream cheese on low until smooth, no lumps. Add 1 cup sugar, a pinch of salt, still on low. Blend in 1 cup sour cream, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoons vanilla. Now 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing just to combine. Don't whip air. Optional flex. A little lemon zest. Pour into the crust. Set the pan in a larger pan. Add hot water halfway up the sides. Bake 75-90 minutes at 325 degrees until edges are set and the center has a slight jiggle. If it's puffing or cracking, it's overbaking. Pull it. Power move. Turn off the oven. Crack the door. And let it rest inside 45 minutes. Remove. Take off the water bath. Run a thin knife around the edge. Cool to room temp. Chill uncovered at least 6 hours. Overnight is chef's kiss. Release the spring form. Heat a sharp knife in hot water. Wipe, slice, wipe between cuts. Serve plain. Top with cherries, fresh berries, a glossy sour cream layer. Creamy, tall, tangy, smooth. You just nailed New York cheesecake. Save this, bake it this weekend, and tag me with your slice.